have any events planned throughout the year, you can create those events on the Intract app. To do so, click on the event feature and you can see if you have already created any events, or click on the add sign at the bottom right corner, give it a title. You can give the venue for the event, write in the description, and select the start date and time. If you have a media to attach, you can click on the attach media button and you can attach the media and then click on submit. This will create the event with the details that you have added. Now, if you want to edit any details, click on the three dots on the top right corner and then select the edit option. Then click on submit. You can also delete the event created. Click on the three dots and then select the delete option and proceed with it. Thank you.